Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now, this is going to be a very quick video on how to connect make.com to your WordPress website. Now, this is going to be a make.com basically a free account that I've just created just right now. This is just for discussion purposes. So right here, I'm going to bring on scenarios. Look for this one and basically click on plus sign. You're going to see all of the applications. Just look for the one that says WordPress. I think I just saw it. Now, for example, you cannot see it right here. Just type on the search bar on the bottom section the word WordPress. So you can have an option to get a tag, get a post, or get a user. So if I click on WordPress right here, I can use this one. So for example, I can create a post for this one, create a connection like so. So basically you're going to need your connection name. Your WordPress connection should be here and your WordPress REST API based URL. This is going to be the example. Now where can you get this? You can get this on your WordPress website just by uploading and downloading the make.com extension inside your WordPress. The API key can also be found inside your WordPress. So again, as you can see right here, you can find the API key on your WordPress website if you have an Integrate Connector plugin installed. Basically, this right here can be gathered on your WordPress website as long as you have the plugins for WordPress and the Integromat. Alright? Now once that's done, you should be good to go. It's gonna be easy as that. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.